This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, Unit 6, Physical Computing, Lesson 2, Designing Screen with Code, Puzzle 13, Setting the Text. Your happy and sad button should be almost completely functional now. Yes, the only thing they need to do is change the text at the bottom of the screen. Oh, do this. Make each of the event handlers change the text of feeling to the appropriate emotion, happy or sad. Okay, so that's going to be a set property. I already know. We've been doing this a lot. So we're going to be setting a property. Now, what do we want to set down here? The ID for this is feeling. So we're going to take and go to feeling. Was it feeling label? Nope, it's just feeling. Ah, that's feeling label. Got it. Okay. And then the width, nope. I want to set the text, yes. And the text. And then to set the text, oh, and it kind of gives you a hint here. You do want it in quotes, like as a string. Feeling happy or sad. Let's give it a shot. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. This really is enjoyable. Ba-da. All right, let's keep going.